Good day everyone, this is Jarjar once again and welcome to my channel. I will be cooking Claypot Chicken Rice today. Here are the ingredients. The chicken meat has been marinated overnight with oyster sauce, sesame oil, black soya sauce and pepper. I would first blanch the baby Shanghai green for about 10 seconds in boiling water. In the clay pot, when the oil is ready, fry the salted fish. Dish them out when they are golden brown and fragrant. Leaving the oil in the clay pot, add the rice and the water that has been used to soak the mushrooms. Cover the clay pot and let the rice cook for about 10 minutes. When the rice is half cooked, add the marinated chicken meat, followed by the mushrooms, Chinese sausage, and the fried salted fish pieces. After cooking for another 12 minutes, add the blanched vegetables. Turn off the fire and cover the pot for another minute. It's time to add some sesame oil and 2 types of thick dark soya sauce for color and taste. Mix the rice and the sauces well. Add the chopped spring onions, a final mix, and it is ready to be served. The fragrance and the aroma of the Claypot chicken rice is making me hungry. Let's eat! Thank you once again for watching my cooking video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. See you again soon. Bye!